Hello, and welcome to another AMBOSS tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to put on sterile gloves using the open glove method. Remove any jewelry or accessories on your fingers or wrists before you begin. Then, disinfect your hands. Check that you've chosen the right glove size and that the glove packaging is undamaged. Open the outer packaging and drop the inner paper packet onto a disinfected, dry surface without touching it. Disinfect your hands once more. Unfold the paper packet. The label should appear in the correct orientation with the print the right side up and both left and right sides aligned correctly. Open the packet, touching only the folded edges, and fold the corners out to keep the inner packet open. The sterile gloves are now lying in front of you on the paper wrapping, the right glove on the right and the left glove on the left. The thumbs are on the outside and the cuffs are turned inside out. You should put the glove for your dominant hand on first. Here, we demonstrate the technique for right-handers. Grab the bottom cuff of the right glove with your left hand. Hold the glove in a way that allows your right hand to easily slide in. Still using the left hand, pull the cuff of the right glove over your wrist until the glove fits snugly over the fingers. Make sure not to touch the outer surface of the glove or your right arm while doing so. If the glove needs a bit of adjusting, do this later when both gloves are on. Now pick up the left glove by placing your right fingers inside the bottom cuff. This way, you'll ensure that you only touch the sterile surfaces of the gloves. Hold the glove in a way that allows your left hand to easily slide in. Use your right hand to pull the cuff of the right glove over your wrist until the glove fits snugly over your fingers. Now that you have both gloves on your hands, you can pull the cuffs down completely and make any other small adjustments. Again, touch only the outside to avoid contact between sterile and non-sterile surfaces. If you struggle a bit to fit the glove over your fingers straight away, don't worry. Just put on the other glove and adjust them both afterwards. Okay, your sterile gloves are on and you're ready to start a sterile procedure, like suturing or inserting a catheter. To find out more about when wearing sterile gloves is required, take a look at our AMBOSS article. Or, if you want to learn how to scrub in before an operation, we have the right video for that too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.